just you and I, trying to be the best we can, and holding on one more time, making the most of all these plans. And I will run away in your arms tonight, where we fell in love under the stars. And we will see